Welcome back to Day Trade with Tony. Just doing a quick trade recap update. Not had a great day today. Not a terrible day trading like a complete. It started off really well, then just it went all south, and I kind of got, for want of better parlance, I'll use poker speak. I went on tilt, and I started going in huge size, revenge trading, and at one stage I was started the account today with $43,000 in the equity position. I went $33,000 down, red. Not a good situation. That was effectively 75% of my equity I risked today, and I was going to lock it up, but the market was just so volatile, and I saw a nice little setup on DBGI, which was the stock that had taken me down that far. So I thought I'd try one last attempt with it, and I had full leverage. A lot of other stocks were moving, but without leverage. So I'll use DBGI. It's the only thing I've really got leverage, so I can take a decent size with. Again, wrong mentality, decent size in order to make some of those gains back. But I was fortunate I caught a move from over $7 to over $12, and made a huge portion, not all of it, still finishing down $12,500 today. So we're still green on the week. I'm not trading tomorrow. It's Valentine's Day. I've got other plans. So I'll be back on Thursday. I've recorded the trade. I'm going to. It's slightly edited because there's a volatility halt, and it's sped up just for time purposes. So it's about 10 minutes long. So if you want to watch it, tag it on the back of this. And it's coming from, as I say, $30,000 down to $12,500 down. So look, we go again on Thursday, and fortunately, I've not given back all of my gains from last week and this week, and we're still in not just positive on the month, but positive on the week as well. So sometimes you trade absolutely terribly, and I look at what I did today, and quite frankly, I'm ashamed of the way I traded today. So I need to go back to basics. It started off so well, and I kind of ruined it. So look, we'll do it again 8 o'clock. I'll be streaming live on Thursday, so come join me then, and we'll do it all over again. Meantime, listen to what I say when I say get green, stay green, get over goal, get out. I've not been doing that. And today, from 11,000 up to $33,000 down, I'm finishing 12.5 down. So look, it's not all bad, but it could have been so much worse. Certainly could have been so much better if I'd just locked my montage when I should have done. So I'll see you Thursday. Take it easy. Arriba. On a bit. Wait a minute, come on. Don't you? Do this, man. Hang on. Wonderful one. Good time. False. Okay.
A few moments later.
Oh, yeah, donkey. I'm going to get green on this. And